A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a honey! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Follow me, right this way.
Is very confusing. A lot more rules will tell you slide, slide, slide. Slide, ones and twosles, but if they're so choosles, before your eyes are seen and lungs and wide. So
What a wonderful dream! Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present.
Presents for Pooh. Oh, that was fun.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and check out our website, shop, and social media in the description.